Alright guys, today we have a pair of Proline Performance Scale Shocks. The price is $54.99, and this scale shocks, we're going to put this on the TRX Sport. We have a high lifter kit on it, and what happens is that the springs are very stiff on these shocks, so I'm opted to change them to get some more performance from this shocks. So I got the shocks right here, and we're gonna put this on. It's way softer, much better for climbing the rocks. It's not so stiff. You get a stiff one at the bottom and a soft one on the top here, and you can adjust it. So you want it more loose, you can. If you want to tighten it down to make it stiffer. So what they do, they put a soft spring on top and a little stiffer one at the bottom. Okay, so we're gonna change this out from the original one to this performance scale shocks, and let's see how we do. All right, let's get busy and get into it. All right, to get to the shocks, at the bottom we have to take off the wheels. So we're gonna pop on all 4 wheels. Okay, so the wheels is out, and now we can get to the shocks. Very easy. All right, let's remove the shocks and put in the new ones. There's only 2 screws holding the shocks, one at the top, one at the bottom. Very simple upgrade. Now, something you gotta remember, guys. The one at the bottom, the screw is longer. The one on top is shorter. So be careful when you're doing this. Okay, simple like that. Now let me show you the difference in the 2 shocks. Basically, the original one is a little bit longer, but look at this. And let me show you how. See, this one is much tighter, and this one here, there we go, easier, tighter. So those are the difference here. Inside the package, there's extra joints in here. Let's get that out. Those are plastic. This is how it goes, just like that. Okay guys, the difference here with these 2 shocks is that the piece of bushing is plastic, but this is metal. So this one is much stronger, but let's see. We're going to put the plastic in for now, and if we need to change it later, we can always remove it. Alright, so, and if you notice, the shocks have a flat side and just a regular side here. So I'm going to put it on the flat side that it rests this way. Alright, so the 2 back is finished. There we go. There we go. So this is the performance of the Proline Performance Shocks. Nice and soft. And I'm gonna pull the adjustment all the way on top so I can make the shocks even softer. Just have to loosen this. Thread it all the way back to the top. Make it very soft. See, a lot softer. Cool. I'm gonna give it all the way. Do the same thing on the other side here. When you loosen the threads and you put it all the way to the top, it makes the shocks softer. If you push it all the way down, you make it much stiffer. Alright, so now I can move to the top. So look at the difference with the top. Very tight, very tight. Look at that one. See, very easy. I gotta put a lot of strength on this one to push it down. Okay. Alright, so let's move ahead and take off the front shocks. Those shocks are perfect, they're good, but it's just hard shocks, so I'm moving to a more softer performance shocks to climb the rocks. So I'm going to use those two for the front and get into this bag here. Use this two little loop. To remember, guys, you want it to end up when you put you want to put this flat side down this way, and you want to put this one this side comes here to keep the shock in the middle so you don't touch. This bad boy on the flat side goes down to the diff. Okay, you gotta remember, guys, this screw, the longer one, is for the bottom on the diff. Top. It's a little bit snug. You just gotta slide him in there. There you go. I take this tin point and get him inside the flush. Guys, look at that. So now I'm gonna pull all the adjustment up again to make it nice and soft. we go. Nice and soft. Okay, so let me show you the difference with this side. It's pretty hard, throwing back very quick. This side, taking his time and throw back. Very slow on the rebound. This one's very quick to throw back. Spring is very tight. Oops. Slow rebound, fast. Look at how much power I gotta put to get this one down. Very easy. My hand is practically shaking to get this one down. Very tight. Very easy. So when the truck up on the rocks, this gonna go all the way inside, push the wheel up, instead of this one twisting the truck and throwing it over faster than this one. This one go all the way up, this one kind of push back. So that's why I change into this one, so I can get best performance. Alright, let's remove the last one, and that will complete the upgrade. Remember again, this piece have to come on the straight side here, so you keep the shocks in the middle, and the flat side just here going on the diff. Kids Garage Fest, I'd like to thank you guys for hanging out on this upgrade. I appreciate you guys all the time. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Please tell a friend, share the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out.